Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show how to open your Toyota Highlander trunk. First, grab your key fob. Locate the button with the image of an open trunk. Press and hold this button for about 1 second. You'll hear a click, and the liftgate will begin to open automatically. This is a convenient way to access your cargo area as you approach your vehicle, especially when your hands are full. Another common method involves the exterior liftgate button. This small, discreet button is typically found just above your rear license plate. Simply press it once, and the power liftgate will unlatch and smoothly ascend. This is ideal when you are standing directly behind your Highlander and need quick access to the cargo space. It's a very straightforward and reliable way to open the trunk. For those times you're already inside your Highlander, there's an interior release button. Look on the driver's side, usually near the steering wheel or on the lower dashboard panel. Press this button, and the rear liftgate will electronically unlatch. This is particularly useful if you need to open the trunk for passengers or to load items from the front seat. Finally, in rare situations like a power failure, you might need manual access. First, fold down the rear seats to enter the cargo area. Look for a small glow-in-the-dark lever or pull tab on the inside of the liftgate panel. Pull this lever firmly to manually release the latch. This ensures you can always open the trunk, even without power.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.